Aye,
Leave it, leave it.
Right,
Yeah,
you're modest?
can walk on.
You're modest from long time? We're modest. Can't my name it. But you can take it to put in stuff to and thing. Have quite a few right around town. As
So
the
it
ladies
get
I'm
dry
looking
here?
on.
It get dry? This is
Yeah. Oh, that you dry one?
Yeah.
Ah.
Straight to the thing, yeah.
Yeah. For the black ice. Oh, first.
Yeah, so right now we're going past a lily tree. Gosh, it's up in the distance. I think I could get a bit. That's the lily. I'm getting it faintly. Nonetheless, we're going still. So it's a bit on the past side. Nice open dry field. Feel like I'm in Colorado. So we're going still.
So now, after we finish, I'm
So we're going again.
moving all the evidence. And they say, what you doing? I said, I'm cleaning up. He said, wait, why? I said, because he said, how they gonna know it's me?
Really serious Pikachu.
Wow, look at
Had to duck under some swabs. Some logs. Then they fall. Oh good. I feel like I'm in the middle of nowhere. I don't decide yeah. Where is right now. But you know what? It's nice.